Let's work on the push through. What's the push through about? Is it about stretching your middle back, touching your low back to the mat? Is it about pushing the bar through and getting a hamstring stretch? No, I don't think it's about any of those things, even though that's the way I was originally taught it, and I bet that's what you were taught too. What if you start by pushing the bar up and being in natural curves, not thoracic extension, not shoulder hyperextension, natural curves at the front of your sit bones. Then lightly round your spine and be on top of your sit bones. So my pelvis is neutral to the walls. I'm still pushing the bar up. Then I'm going to keep the same shape spine and make the exercise about my pelvis. I roll to the back of my sit bones and press the bar down, get on top of my sit bones. Then to the front of my sit bones, same shape spine, on top of my sit bones. To the back of my sit bones, on top of sit bones. Then I come to the front of my sit bones and they change into natural curves. And top of sit bones, back of sit bones, top, then front. Top of sit bones, back of sit bones, top, then natural curves at the front. And again, as I go, I try to keep the same shape spine. I feel an extra good connection to my low abdominals and my glutes because I'm rotating my pelvis. Now, as you go, any opportunity to press the bar down is a chance to lift your insides up and work the vertical workshop internal suspension. Even when I'm going forward, I press down on the bar and that keeps me being able to reach my spine. On the way back, I press down on the bar so I can keep this reach of my spine as I rotate my pelvis. And then the bar starts to go up. I stay lightly round until I come to the front of my sit bones and lift in natural curves. So again, keep pushing the bar up, rotate your pelvis and spine, or spine the pelvis into light flexion. Then keep that spine, get to the back of your sit bones, rotate your pelvis, rotate top of sit bones, front of sit bones, top of sit bones, back of sit bones, top of sit bones, lift to natural curves to get to the front of your sit bones. So play with this. What if you can't do this with straight legs? Bend your knees a little bit. Still not able to really get the movement of your pelvis because you have tight hamstrings and a tight back. Sure, well, get up on top of a rolled up mat or pillow and give yourself what you need to get a little up high, lift it up higher so that you can really manipulate your pelvis. Play with the push through in this way and give me feedback. I'd love to know how it goes.